Have you ever understood everything someone said in English?
But still didn't know how to answer?
You're sitting in a cafe.
Someone smiles and asks.
Hi. How's your day going?
It's a simple question.
You know the words.
You understand the English.
But suddenly,
Your mind goes completely blank.
nothing comes out.
If that has ever happened to you, you're not alone.
It happens to millions of English learners.
And honestly, it even happens to native speakers sometimes.
The good news is that great conversations don't start with difficult English.
They usually start with something very simple.
A question about coffee,
The weather.
or how your day is going.
Today, we'll show you how simple conversations grow naturally.
You'll learn useful small talk, everyday English, and easy questions you can use right away.
So grab a coffee, relax, and let's practice together.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna.
Today's topic is small talk.
Those short conversations we have every day.
At work,
At school.
at a cafe.
Or while waiting somewhere.
Many English learners think small talk is difficult.
But it's actually one of the easiest ways to practice speaking.
Today we're going to have a natural conversation.
And along the way, you'll hear useful English that people really use.
All right.
Let's head to the cafe.
This cafe feels really cozy today.
Yeah, I love coming here in the evening.
Same. It's peaceful after a busy day.
Exactly. Do you come here often?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Wow. That's more than I expected.
I know. But I work better when I have coffee nearby.
Or maybe you just like spending money on coffee.
Ha ha. That's possible too.
At least you're honest.
I always try to be honest about important things.
And coffee is important?
Extremely important.
What about you? How often do you come here?
Not as often as you. Maybe once a week.
Really?
Yeah. Most of the time I just make coffee at home.
That's probably cheaper.
Much cheaper.
So, how's your week going?
Pretty good, actually. Busy, but good.
That's nice to hear. What have you been busy with?
Mostly design projects.
That sounds creative.
Sometimes. Other times it's just moving text around for 3 hours.
Haha. Every designer understands that feeling.
Exactly.
People think design is always exciting.
I know. Sometimes you're deciding whether a button should move 2 pixels to the left.
That sounds stressful.
You have no idea.
Well, at least you have coffee.
Exactly. Coffee solves many problems.
I'm not sure that's scientifically proven.
I don't need science. I have experience.
Haha. Fair enough. Speaking of coffee.
Oh. Whenever you say that, a story is coming.
And you're absolutely right.
All right. Let's hear it.
Last week I was extremely tired, so I bought a large coffee in the morning.
That sounds normal.
Then I forgot I'd already had one and bought another coffee after lunch.
Oh no.
And later that afternoon, I bought a third one.
3 coffees in one day?
3 coffees.
How are you still alive?
Honestly, I have no idea. I couldn't sleep until almost 2 o'clock in the morning.
You definitely deserve that.
I know. I learned an important lesson that day.
And what lesson was that?
Too much coffee is a bad idea.
A valuable life lesson.
One I won't forget anytime soon.
I think our viewers can learn from your mistake.
Please do. Learn from my suffering.
That's very generous of you.
Thank you. I'm here to help.
The weather has been really nice lately.
I was thinking the same thing. The mornings have been so pleasant recently.
Cool weather always puts me in a good mood.
Same here. When summer gets really hot, I don't want to do anything.
Exactly. Last summer felt endless.
You're being dramatic again.
Maybe a little.
Do you like rainy weather?
I love rainy weather.
Me too. Rainy days, coffee, and a good movie.
That sounds perfect.
Last Sunday it rained all afternoon. I stayed home, listened to music, and relaxed.
Honestly, that sounds amazing.
Sometimes quiet days are the best days.
I completely agree. Let's pause for a moment.
Here's something important.
Many English learners don't know how to start a conversation.
But you only need a few simple questions.
Question number 1.
How's your day going?
Question number 2.
Do you come here often?
Question number 3.
What have you been up to lately?
Simple questions like these can start great conversations.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need the confidence to start.
Speaking of conversations,
Let's talk about meeting new people.
that's something many English learners worry about.
Definitely. Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Sometimes.
That wasn't a very confident answer.
Because it's an honest answer.
Fair enough.
What about you?
I'm usually a little shy at first.
Really?
Yeah. But once I get comfortable, I can talk for hours.
That part one believe.
Hey.
Haha.
But starting a conversation can sometimes feel awkward.
I think most people feel that way. Even native speakers.
Exactly. A lot of people think they need to say something interesting.
When really, simple is better.
You can talk about the weather,
Coffee.
food.
Or weekend plans.
The goal isn't to impress people.
The goal is simply to connect with people.
Have you ever had an awkward small talk moment?
Only about 100 times.
Let's hear one.
A few years ago, I was sitting in a cafe like this one.
Okay.
Someone sat down nearby and started talking to me.
That's normal.
The problem was that I wasn't expecting it.
Oh.
They asked me a very simple question.
What was it?
They asked, "How's your day going?"
And what did you say?
Nothing.
Nothing?
My brain completely stopped working.
That's happened to all of us.
I knew the answer. I knew the words. But I couldn't put them together.
What happened next?
Eventually I said, "Good. Thank you."
And that was enough.
Exactly. The conversation continued and everything was fine.
That's a great lesson for English learners. You don't need a perfect answer.
You just need an answer.
Let's do a quick small talk challenge.
Good idea.
Imagine you're sitting in a cafe.
Someone smiles and says hello.
What's the first question you could ask?
Take a moment and think about it.
You could ask, "How's your day going?"
Or, do you come here often?
Or even, "What have you been up to lately?"
Simple questions work best.
Remember, the goal isn't to be impressive.
The goal is to start talking.
Now it's your turn.
Let's practice together.
Do you like coffee or tea?
Think about your answer.
How's your week going?
Think about your answer.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
Think about your answer.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Think about your answer.
Great job.
Let's quickly review what we talked about today.
We started with a simple conversation at a cafe.
Then we talked about coffee.
Maybe a little too much coffee.
Let's not talk about that again.
We also talked about the weather.
And how to meet new people.
These are all common small talk topics.
Topics that people talk about every day.
And that's the important lesson.
Small talk doesn't need complicated English.
Simple English is enough.
A simple question can start a great conversation.
The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become.
Confidence grows little by little.
So don't wait until your English is perfect.
Start speaking today.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
Coffee or tea?
And what's your favorite small talk question?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
And remember,
You don't need perfect English.
you just need to start speaking.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.